guys, it's Trianna. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited to bring you guys some more videos coming up regarding beauty, skincare, makeup tutorials, tips and tricks that I like to use. I am also starting up my freelance makeup business. So for those of you who know people getting married, I started off doing my little high schoolers going to prom and graduation. Unfortunately, this prom was canceled, so all my appointments this month got canceled, so I'm super sad. However, once the quarantine is uplifted, I will be getting back into it. So if you guys know anyone in the San Diego area, let me know. I'm on Instagram and YouTube under trillabeauty. So anyways, here is a quick everyday makeup tutorial that I use. These are products that I use every single day. Whatever you guys have in your stash, in your makeup collection, that is fine as well. This is just what I have. If you don't have what I have, it's totally fine. But if you guys are interested in watching, then enjoy the video.
Okay, so first things first, we are going to start off with the eyebrows. Every time I do my makeup, I always start off with the hardest part first, and I think the eyebrows are always the hardest parts. Also because I like to apply the eyebrows with no foundation on. It's easier and it tends to stick better. So as you can see, I've already started outlining the bottom of the eyebrow, and I start in the inner corner and I do small little fine line strokes all the way to the tail of the eyebrow. So as the outline of the eyebrow starts to form, I slowly get to apply more pressure with the pencil just so I could start shading in the eyebrow a little bit more and then forming the length of the eyebrow as well. Then to this next step of filling in the eyebrows. On the top, I don't like to start all the way at the inner corner where the edge is. I like to start in some, not on the arc either, but in the middle of those 2 points. And again, fine line strokes, outlining that shape that you want, and gradually starting to make your way towards the arch. So in this video, I am using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Latte. This one actually applies and matches my color really well. And as you can see here, I have just formed my shape, and now I am just filling the brows in. So to finish off the rest of the brow, I go back into the inner corner and I do fine line strokes following the hair growth. And then I take the spoolie tool and I spread the product around to give it more of a natural look and not so much of a boxy look. So once we're done with the eyebrows, I move on to my face and I prime first before I put on my foundation. Here I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. This one's good if you want more of like a dewier look, and this one is really cool because it instantly makes my face feel moisturized. So now I'm just taking my foundation with a MAC foundation brush. The foundation that I'm using is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade M3.5. Any foundation is good to use if you're looking for something that's just an everyday look and not something that's more on the glam or special occasion side. A drugstore foundation works just as well. Okay, so next we are going to go in with a concealer, and I use a flat brush to apply it. I am using, for this look, for my everyday look, I just use a little bit of concealer. I don't want to do a full face contour. This is a fast and easy look, and a contour may take up too much time. So if you want more concealer and you need it, then by all means go ahead as you please. However, I don't really have dark circles, so I don't really need that much, so I just use a little bit to just brighten up those under eyes and those eyelids. And then also I like to apply it on the eyelids as well, just to clean up some of my eyebrow residue and sharpen up those edges a little bit. So also, I will be putting on some eyeshadow later on, so this is also just a little bit of a base to make the eyeshadow apply easier. So once everything is all blended in, I'm going to go in with a face powder and just lightly go over my whole face just to set it. I'm not going to go in with the translucent powder just because I didn't do a full face contour. If I would have, I would have baked my face, but just for this everyday look, I want it more simpler, I'll just use some face powder. Next, I'm going to be going in with a bronzer, and I'm going into the Cover FX palette that I got in my BoxyCharm in the color Silhouette. I'm just taking that and applying it under my cheekbones, around my forehead, and around my jawlines to give my face more of a warmer tone. Next, I am using the color Blush and Brighten from the Laura Geller brand, and I'm just taking a little bit to put on my cheekbones to give my face some color. So going back onto the eye area, I'm going to use a blending brush, and I'm going to go back in with not that bronzer, but any kind of bronzer really, whatever you use for your face. I would use that one just to match the same tone as your face, make it more natural, make sure that everything matches. And I'm just going to go over the crease of my eyelid, and literally that is all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply my mascara on. I curl my lashes twice, before and after I apply my mascara. The mascara that I'm using in this video is the Big Ego from Tarte. I actually really like this mascara. Normally I would just settle for a drugstore mascara just because they work just as well, but the brush on this one applies really well, and it keeps it not so messy. Next, I'm going to be going in with a darker eyeshadow. I used MAC's Dance in the Dark, and I'm taking a pointed brush, and I'm using this as my bottom eyeliner. I didn't really have any eyeliner on me, so this is what I was using, and this is also a good substitute if you don't have any eyeliner or prefer to use eyeshadow as an eyeliner. This gives it more of a subtle, natural, smokier look. If you have eyeshadow and you don't like it so bold and so heavy, then just take a pointed brush and smoke and blend it out. After I'm done finishing my liner on the bottom, then I just go in and I apply mascara on my bottom lashes. Then to finish off the eyes, I use a highlighter, and I take my finger and I just dab that in the corner just to give my eyes a little bit of pop for this natural look. So moving on to the lips, I am lining my lips with the Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Chic. And this is a lip liner that I use literally every single time I put my makeup on, no matter whether it's casual, glam, everyday, no matter what. These are the tones that I am set on. And the lipstick that I'm using is by Morphe in the shade Forevs. So before I'm done, to finish this look off, I'm just going to re-curl my lashes once they're all dry from the mascara. You don't want to curl them when they're too wet, so I wait until the last second until I'm done, and it makes so much of a difference. And then you're all done.
Okay, so anyways, that is really all this look is. Super quick and easy. Normally this would take me like 15 minutes like every single day if I weren't doing my lashes. But anyways, I'm excited to bring you guys more videos to my channel, and yeah, like, subscribe, follow, all that jazz. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.